Hi, my name is Eduardo with Identiv Technical Support, and today we'll be covering hunting and configuring your SNIB3. SNIB3 supports DHCP IP addressing, but in most cases you're going to want to configure your SNIB3 with a static IP address. Let's jump right into configuring your SNIB3. It can be beneficial to get the SNIB3 MAC address. In this particular case, the SNIB3 MAC address is ending in 113F. I'll go ahead and demonstrate configuring your SNIB3 using Velocity. We'll go ahead and head over to Administration, and we'll go over to the Port Properties, and we'll go ahead and use the built-in search feature. Immediately, it's going to start searching for SNIB3s in the local network. Go ahead and stop search, and we're going to find our SNIB3 ending in MAC address 113F. We're going to go ahead and double-click on the value, and we're going to be prompted with a window to configure the SNIB3. We're going to go ahead and change the last octet in this particular case. We're going to go ahead and end it in .50 for the IP address. We're going to go ahead and press OK to send the configuration. And we're going to go ahead and press one more time. And as you can see, it brings down the new IP address. We're going to confirm by sending a ping command to the SNIB. And as we can see, we're getting valid replies back to that from that SNIB. Next up, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate using the SNIB config tool to configure a SNIB3. It is normally located in the install directory for Velocity. So in this particular case, it's the C drive, program files x86, Identiv, Velocity, tools, SNIB config tool. We'll go ahead and double click to launch the program, and immediately it's going to start searching for SNIB3s in the network. We're going to go ahead and find our SNIB3 ending in 113F for the MAC address. And if you see the box for enable DHCP mode, we need to uncheck that box to configure a static IP address. We're going to go ahead and configure it with a host name of SNIB3. And in this particular case, we're going to go ahead and set the IP address to 172.25.10.200. We're going to go ahead and send the configuration to the device. We're going to get prompted with a warning message. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. And we can confirm that the IP address took by sending a ping down to that new IP address. So we're going to go ahead and ping 172.25.10.200. And as we can see, we're getting 4 valid replies back. Now that you've configured your SNIB3, you'll be ready to make a secure connection from the Velocity application server down to the Hirsch controller. This has been Eduardo helping you keep your world verified.